Today on Cold Email Teardowns, I asked everybody in the audience to submit your emails to me. I am the cold email king. We've sent millions of cold emails to people around the world. Cold emails, if you don't know, are emails to people you haven't met in order to pitch your service. And in today's Cold Email Teardown, I'll be looking at an email from a content strategist. We'll be seeing what he sent, how he's pitching. Then we'll tear it down and build it up into a high-converting cold email. Excited? I know you are. Smash that like button before we get into it, and let's do today's Cold Email Teardown. Woo! I'm excited. You can tell I'm excited. Here's the email from Michael. No subject. Hi, name. My name is Michael, and I'm a content strategist for marketing officers. I'd love to chat with you about how we can help your company tell better stories. My experience creating content strategies and implementing them has helped many of the companies I've worked with grow from struggling to thriving, and my clients love me for it. With my help, you can make your marketing campaigns more effective and increase your ROI. I've worked with clients in the past and helped them restructure their marketing material to reach their target audience better. From my experience, I know that companies want to make a big push into it. It's so boring, right? Who's reading this? I'm not reading this. Are looking for ways to reach more people online, are interested in differentiating themselves from their competitors online. If any of these applies to you and your company, then you're not far from your success story. I would love to learn more about what your company is looking for when it comes to content and how we might be able to work together. If you're interested in seeing what kind of work we do, reply to this email and I'd be happy to begin. Okay, off the bat, a couple things wrong with this email. One, boring as 2, it's long. 3, I really don't even know what he offers. He's not even answering a basic question. You can tell that he knows as well, because in the end of the email, the final sentence is, reply to this email and I'd be happy to begin if you're interested in seeing what kind of work we can do. Because he knows deep down he hasn't shown any of the work that he actually does. So let's break this down into the 3 C's and let's try to create an email that works. And those 3 C's are compliment, case study, call to action. Compliment the prospect, ask for a meeting, show what you do. That's all you need. But let's start with a compliment. And to get that compliment, we will have to identify who is our target, what is our offer, what is our case study. So who is our target? What do we know based on this email? We know a couple things. My name is Michael. That's great to know his name is the first thing after opening the email with no subject line. And I'm a content strategist for marketing officers. So this means he's selling directly to CMOs. So his target is going to be the CMOs. If he is selling content strategy to CMOs, I'm wondering what his company size that he's looking for is. Let's just assume he's going for the golden geese, which is between 51 and 2,000 employees. That's how I would search for them in LeadShark. From my experience, I know that companies want to make a big push into digital marketing, are looking for ways to reach more people online, are interested in differentiating themselves from their competitors online. These are 3 different problems, and I actually don't know that this is from his experience, because if you're reaching out to chief marketing officers in the current year, they're most likely doing digital marketing, and if they're not, something is wrong. I would reach out to companies that were already doing digital marketing in some way, because it's easier to optimize a campaign that already has budget than it is to try to create both the campaign and the budget for a company that is not investing in digital marketing, especially this late in the game. So let's talk about this. I would love to learn more about what your company is looking for when it comes to content and how we might be able to work together. So the offer is a content strategy session. What's the case study? Content strategy for marketing officers. My experience creating content strategies and implementing them has helped many of the companies I've worked with grow from struggling to thriving, and my clients love me for it. This makes so much more sense in his head than it does in the client's head. You need a specific case study. So recently, we helped XYZ company to do Y, and that led to Z results. Recently we helped Ford revamp their blog content and increased their site traffic by 88% in 6 months. There's a case study, which he doesn't have. So Michael, I'm not making up a case study for you. I'm just using an example. you would look at your past success, which you have highlighted but not referred to directly. So now that we have all the backstory, all the information to write the campaign, let's write a great cold email. Subject line. He doesn't actually have a subject line, which is a strategy, not the strategy I would recommend. I would switch that for quick question. Hi, name. Been a huge fan of company name for a while. Love the work your team is doing on the marketing side. You're talking directly to the CMO. Let's compliment them on something the CMO is responsible for. Been a huge fan of Toyota for a while. Love the work you guys are doing. My name is Michael, and I'm a content strategist for marketing officers. Just erase literally all of this. Recently, we helped Ford revamp their blog content and increase their site traffic by 88% in 6 months. And I would love to do the same for you. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Michael. The 3 C's: compliment, case study, call to action. And there's the email torn down. You can see the before and the after. Notice the decreased length and the improved clarity in the pitch. If you want me to tear down your cold emails and help you work on your cold email strategy, then you should join Email 10K, which is our private community of hustlers and entrepreneurs all working together to improve their email campaigns. You can do that by going to email10k.com. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.